Welcome, replayers. Woo! Let me tell you. Killing pips. Killing pips. Killing pips. Diaz, welcome to the room. Welcome to the room, guys. Killing pips today. Let me tell you, man, volatility off the chain. We are catching every single move. I'm excited. Guys, can we get some invites, please? People need to see this, man. So, you guys were with me when we last left off on this candle. Prime goes short from 1389 down to 1373-ish. Here we took a long at 1373 and we were out at the fib at 1415. We are up 140 pips today, guys. 140 pips. Damn. Hashtag candlestick boner. Hashtag candlestick boner. Hashtag FX Prime. Hashtag boom. Welcome to the room. Killing pips. We're holding the pips at gunpoint, baby. Hashtag candlestick boner, baby. I love it. I didn't even get a chance to drink my coffee yet, guys. I'm like, you know, it's been one huge candlestick move after another. The range on this candlestick, high to low, is almost 50 pips in this one candlestick. That's what a 50 pip candlestick looks like on a 1 hour chart. A 1 hour chart right there. Damn, man. Printing money today. Guys, I can't even imagine how much volatility is going to be present when we come out with the FOMC at 2. We're already up 140 pips. FOMC comes out 2 p.m. Yes, we've caught every move. Jose, you were with us when we left off on this candle, right? This huge candle. You got to understand this, baby. You're leaving money on the table if you don't understand this. Leaving money on the table if you don't understand this. Right. So that was this move from here to here. We had 35 pips previously from the overnight short. Here we go short at 1388. Long 1373. And we took our profits at the fib 1415. Insanity, baby. Insanity. You see how quick this happens? I told you volatility is going to be the catchphrase. It's going to be the word of the day. Maximize potential. What's up? Volatility is the word of the day, guys. We're capturing the volatility. Hey, buddy. Amazing moves today. Wow. Wow. I don't understand it. 2 people in the room, it's like, wow. It's lunchtime, man. I don't know. I seriously, I don't understand how someone could not find this interesting. You know what it is? It's back to what Diddy says. I don't understand the language of people with short money. Yeah, where's the hustlers? Where are the hustlers looking at Periscope during their lunchtime, you right? I don't know. Awesome moves. So, of course, we would be out at 14.15, this fib level. price is likely to be contained in these fibs, man. I hear you. Wow. You got up, you got it up. Got up early. Got up early and saw the huge candlesticks in the market today and said, I gotta have a piece. Ah, okay. So guys, you know, the reason why I am getting this on video is because if people literally didn't see it, they wouldn't believe, you know, 140 pip day. Most people are not going to believe that these types of moves are possible. You do realize that, right? You guys do realize that if I went to some type of hedge fund manager or, you know, all these other foreign exchange gurus that claim to be making profits in the Forex markets, but are you doing it live? Are you showing how it's happening live? That's my question, right? Yo, yo. Guys, Prime is just having its way with the market right now. It's awesome to see. It's awesome to see. It feels awesome to just witness it. But are you using a harmonica scander? That's what I'm going to call it, a harmonica scammer. Little bit of a business lesson there. Never choose a product name that can be made fun of too easily. Never choose a product name that can be made fun of very easily. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, so we took this morning. I hopped on with you guys. What was that? Like 10 a.m. ish. No, it was earlier than that, guys. We hopped on at 9 a.m. Jeez. We took this candle all the way up. All this occurred live. We took this candle live all the way up. Live. It was live. Just like this is live. We were traced down to this level, at which point FX Prime went short. 1388. At the 1375, 1373 level, went long again all the way up to the 1415 in the fib right here. And now, of course, we are flat. Technically, we are flat at this moment until we get the next signal. If you were still long, let's say that you're slow on the gun, you get an alert late or whatever, you could still just exit right here. So, guys, I'm listening to an Italian DJ named Arty, A-R-T-Y. You guys should check him out. Awesome music to trade to study to. It's very entrancing, very, I guess I would say liberating almost. Alright, thanks. Take care, guys. Yeah, man, you know, if that's the case, then what you can do is send me an email, info@fitbusinessman.com. I'm going to be releasing an alert system that goes off of FX Prime. So if you can get real-time alerts on your... Wow, look at this candle movement. Man, I have to adjust my screen. Busting through that 14-15 level. Yeah, the way I'm going to set it up, wow, look at this volatility, guys. Amazing volatility. We would not be in this move right now. But Prime is still long here. That's the funny part. Prime is still long here. How crazy is that? Jeez. We missed out on 15 extra pips there. Not that I'm complaining. Bang, bang, what up? We're getting our trade on, baby. Awesome. Yeah, we just took a huge candle. Oh man, look at this candlestick boner. This guy right here gets a contract. That is a candlestick boner right there. That, you know, made it into the special video. That made it into the special video. This is not the normal video right here. Look at this, man. Prime is still long. We took profits at 14.15. Prime is still long. And there's no way that a human would stay in this position this long. You know, people, when they get profits, they take it quick. And then they usually say, oh, crap, I missed out on that move because it kept going. Prime is just letting it ride, man. That's where the strength in this system is that when you can ride a candlestick like this, man, 50 pips plus on this candlestick. 50 pips on one candlestick. Craziness, craziness, craziness. And the only thing stopping us is that 1437 level above us on the fib. That's the 100 fib level right there. Yeah, 50 pips in one candle. I told you, volatility, baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, you know, what do we say at this point? At this point, if we were still long, like even though the algorithm is still saying long right here, you know, I probably would have took profits again. If we were still long. If we did not take profits at that 415, I'd take it right now. Didn't catch the end of what? So yeah, if you're interested in the trial, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. Right. Okay. info@fitbusinessman.com. My moniker all over the internet is Fit Businessman. So if you guys see any Fit Businessman anywhere on Snapchat, Twitter, Periscope, Instagram, that's me. So just email me. Make sure you include your real name as well as your Periscope handle. So this way I know I can kind of relate to your face and the conversations we've been having. Alright. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the invites. Thank you for the hearts. Man, it ain't too often you see that a 50 pip candle is taken live. Let me tell you. And we finally burst through that sextuplet top. We had like 6 tops in a row on the hourly chart, which was insane. But when we went through it, see that pop? When we went through it hard. Think or swim. TD Ameritrade. So, it's really funny, guys. I mean, today we're up 140 pips right now. And we're still watching this long. You know, this would not be an area that I would take a long. This is the area that you would sell your longs. And by that, I do not mean go short, because the algorithm has not gone short yet. So everything that we do has been dependent on the algorithm, has been dependent on the math and the statistical analysis of FX Prime. This is not me making discretionary calls. This is me following the calls of the algorithm. Are you guys getting kicked off? Is that what this is? Because I see a lot of people drop off, and it happened on an earlier scope. But it just seems to happen all at once. Like I can see the numbers, they go down all at once, and then people come into the room all at once. So I'm assuming that a lot of you guys are either mobile and getting kicked off, or not finding making money interesting. Alright, yes, sorry. Alright, I was waiting for Maximize to pop back into the room. So Maximize, the trial is going to be, the way I'm going to run it is this, okay? It's a 7-day trial where you're going to get to follow along on the trades 7 days absolutely free. You're going to sign up. Right now the sales funnel is still being developed. But when it is finished, and it will be finished within the next 2 days, I'm just going to hop online. I'm going to say, or I'm going to email you guys that emailed me. You guys are going to get first dibs. Before I do any type of advertising of it or anything like that, I'm going to email you guys, and you guys are going to get to the landing page, the sales page, before anybody else. Okay? So if you email me, info@fitbusinessman.com, you guys are going to get access to the trial before anybody else. And this is how I'm going to run it, guys. 7 days absolutely free. No problem, no problem. Because I want you guys to tag along on the trades and see the value of just being able to get the alerts on your phone and tag along on the trades. Alright? After the 7-day trial is up, it's going to be $97 a month, which obviously is very much worth it, because even on a 10,000 lot today, you made $140. So you're paying $97 a month if you stay a member, and on most days we'll make it back in 1 day. Now I can't predict the volatility of the market, but we've been averaging anywhere from 50 to 150 pips per day. So I think 97 a month is extremely, extremely sensible when it comes to anybody's budget. And let's be honest, if that's not affordable, you probably don't have the risk capital to start trading, right? So that's not a problem. That just means that you save up a little bit and you get focused. You get focused with saving money and then having the risk capital to actually do some type of leveraged investing. But there's going to be another bonus for you guys, all right? And that bonus is going to be this, that when you guys sign up, Maximize get kicked off again? Alright. The bonus is going to be this. When you guys do sign up, there's going to be a module at the end of the sign up process that allows you to invite friends. Okay? And you can import your address book, like your whole address book, whether it's a Gmail address book or LinkedIn or whatever, import it and send an image to them that's going to be about FX Prime. And if anyone in your address book signs up to FX Prime, you're going to get another week for free. You guys see that? The leverage of that? So some of you guys that sign up are going to get to trade up to 14 days free. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to have the leverage in terms of you guys inviting people and getting that viral message out there, because this is valuable. If you have a good product or service, it will sell. I'm not worried about that. I just want to make sure that everybody is getting gains. That's my goal. I want to see everybody ripped and rich. Ripped and rich. That's all I want to see. I want to help get people fit and financially not stable. That's an understatement. Financially well off. Put it that way. That's the gentleman's term. Well off. Oh, that person's well off. Meaning you don't have a care about money. Meaning that when you go out to eat, you don't look at prices. You go out to shop, you don't look at prices. You buy things based upon your taste. You do things based upon what you want, what you really want. So that is the goal. So I think that's fair, guys. The price point is comparable to what I see all these other guys doing in terms of offering educational programs. However, I don't see any of them actually doing anything. Wow, look at what the heck was that, dude? Did you see that? One tick, it jumped 8 pips. In one tick, it jumped 8 pips. That was some type of order. volatility in the market today. Look at this. Prime is still long. But the thing that what I see nobody else having is an actual alert system that works, that actually makes people money. You know, other services, I've done a lot of research on this. Other guys are offering alert systems, you know, whether it's in equities or Forex or futures. But I don't see anybody growing exponentially, which tells me that they're either not good marketers and they're not getting the word out. And the best word is word of mouth, right? I mean, if you start making, you know, 1,000 pips a month, okay? 1,000 pips, 1,500 pips a month off of a service that you're paying $97 for. That's a 10x return on your investment. Right? So if you're trading a 10,000 lot and just following along on those, you're making $1,000 to $1,500 extra per month. That's a good trade, right? You pay someone $97 and then you get $1,500 out of it. I'd take that coin flip every single day. I would take that coin flip every single day as many times as I could get it. Heads, I get $1,500. Tails, I lose 97. I'd flip that coin all day. Because the fact of the matter is that the more times you flip that coin, the wealthier you get, no matter what. No matter what. That's the type of probability trade I'm setting up for you guys, alright? Now for me, of course, I have to make back what I have invested in the 8 years' time of coding this in terms of the service fee. So it's a win-win. We're both going to make bank. And that's the way that I look at it. And that's the only way that I would have it, is if I never enter positions that are not win-win. Not even with trading. Not even in a trade. I don't want to even have a single loss in trading. And you have to have that type of zero tolerance when it comes to your goals, all right? You may not win every single trade, but that's always the goal. That's always my goal. All right, Maximize, do your thing, buddy. So just email me, and then I'll give you the information later. All right, bud? Have a great day. Thank you. So I'll give all this information probably tonight, guys. If you're jumping in late right here, I'm going to get offline. I'm going to start prepping for the FOMC in 2 hours, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good day.